All right.
See it? All right.
All right.
Doesn't have audio, does it?
Yeah, it's got audio.
Is it on audio?
Yeah.
In other words, they're hearing what we're saying.
Yeah. That's a small one, right?
That's a small one. I thought you separated them.
No, when I dropped them back in here, I mixed them up. I think. All right, there's a good one. Oh, that's a small one. All right.
I thought all the big ones were on that side.
They are. This sucker slam full.
All right, this is Walt's best day of his life bass fishing. There's one of them. What'll he weigh, Walt?
I don't know, 5 maybe? 5
Five at least.
I don't know.
At least
It's
5.
big.
Okay. So there she goes back in the lake. All right, here's one. There's another good one.
Chunk.
5 or better.
Back in the lake.
Back into the Corny Lake.
There's another good.
There's another one. Huge bass.
What else we got here?
Big Mama's in there somewhere. Big Mama.
There's another one.
Turn it sideways.
That's probably 7,
Yeah.
7.5 or better maybe.
Lord have
Maybe 8.
mercy. And that ain't the biggest one.
There she goes.
Here comes Big Mama. Look at this fish coming out now. Turn it sideways. Golly. Can you imagine? That horse, that fish there is bumping 10. Man.
Here she goes.
Let me get a close up. Look at that. Look at that. Turn it sideways, Walt. That's a giant right there.
And there she goes. Back in the lake. I think that's all the big ones. The bigger ones.
Yeah.
Let's see. And this small.
And these over here on this side, you got some fairly decent ones there.
It's not a bad fish.
Is that it?
That's a pretty good fish too.
Yep.
Okay.
That's a good fish. Is that it?
That's all of them. That's
All right.
small.
Walt's best day as a fisherman.
What's today? What's today? The 20 what? 20? 19th or 20th?
The 19th, I think.
19th of February, 2012.
Yeah.
That's
I
good.
believe that's it. Here we go.